Hey everyone, this is Nick with City Rockhounding, and we just found a cool face here. Can you see it there in the water? Looking to the right, I see an eye right here. Looks like a nose and a mouth. Maybe that's just me, but that's cool. Cool deformed eye. Detail on that's pretty. What is that? Definitely like some kind of tool, it feels like. The edges on that. Definitely another face on the other side. That's cool. I like the shape of that. That's a neat one. Fits pretty good in the hand too. Hey mister. Nice. What do you guys think? Having an awesome day. It's a beautiful world we live in. Bye guys.